Hundreds of firefighters and volunteers were fighting to save whatever they could on Wednesday, June 5th, after swollen Danube spilled over in villages and towns along the Austrian-Slovak border, as the river followed its course downstream towards Bratislava. In the town of Bad Deutsch-Altenburg, 10 kilometers away from the Slovak border, the water levels of the Danube exceeded the historical mark of 2002, with the river still rising. Many people left their homes to spend the night with relatives and friends in the areas further away from the river. Many stayed to help the rescuers piling up sandbags to keep the floods away. 18 houses were evacuated, as well as one home for the elderly. One resident, standing in his boat in front of his house, surrounded by floods, said, quote, "It's very sad, but I am relatively well off compared to the people in the houses upstream. Unbelievable how much grief and money this will cost. Terrible." End quote. Danube is expected to reach its highest level in Slovakia on Thursday. Slovak PM said on Tuesday the country had taken the necessary measures to prevent the water from breaching flood barriers in the capital Bratislava, but some parts of the city were already flooded. Forecasters said receding rains would help water levels to drop across the Czech Republic, but that parts of Austria, Slovakia, and Hungary, as well as Germany, would be affected in coming days. In the Slovak capital, Bratislava, low-lying parks and a waterfront Danube cafe were flooded, but barriers were expected to hold back the worst. The water level was expected to break through 10 meters on Thursday, an all-time high.